Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just taking a quick break from the packing, you'll see, because we're off tomorrow over to the UK and back to our van for 2 weeks, so really looking forward to it. We used to do this on the dining room table, but this house is kind of an upside down house, so we're now using the spare bedroom. Reason for this is just to give you a quick update on the A-frame and where we got to with it. So it's been repaired. The up is now sorted, and it turned out in the end that where it had broken, well, in fact, both sides of the crash bar, or the bit at the back where you put the pegs in to turn round, were not the same. One of them was a solid plate, and the other one was two welded together, and that's the one that we've been having the trouble with. Anyway, now gloriously over engineered, done beautifully. We just got to check that the pegs go in, but we won't know that till we get back to the A-frame itself, which is in the back of the motorhome. So watch this space, but I'm sure it will be fine. So the up is now safe to tow, and we have to give a big shout out and a very big thank you to ARC, and in particular Nathan at ARC, and also to Fusion, who were the fabricators that did the welding and in fact did quite an incredible job. So thank you both. I know this isn't of that wide an appeal because both companies are in Guernsey, but if you are in Guernsey, thoroughly recommend them. Thanks again, guys. So really looking forward to that. So quick trip, 2 weeks. First night we're staying at Rooksbury, and then we are going to see my family in Coventry, so we're staying at Summerswood in Meriden. From there we're driving all the way up to Durham Grange, which is a caravan and motorhome club site, to see Alan's sister and her husband and our niece, etc. And then from there we're coming all the way back down the A1, this time to Grafham Water, which is close to where my sister lives, and eventually we go to Hunter's Moon in Dorset, where we can have 4 or 5 nights to ourselves, and we get back on the 30th. So keep your eyes open for further videos. Don't know what we'll do yet, planning a few things, but don't really know till we're there and see what the weather's like, etc. But please do keep tuned in. Just thought we'd give you this update on the A-frame because we will be towing. So catch you shortly. Cheers.